So Kennedy, when you brush, it's really important to brush 3 times a day. So in the morning, after you're done eating breakfast, at night before you go to bed, and then sometime during the day. If you can't brush at school, it's okay to wait till you get home from school.
Yeah.
When you brush, in between your brace and your gum line, there's not a lot of tooth showing, on the bottom especially, and then up here. And that's where the plaque and the food and all the stuff you eat likes to sit. So when you brush, it's really important, little circles.
Okay.
Up above the braces, go around about 10 seconds in each spot.
Okay.
And angle that brush up above the braces. If you go straight on like this,
It's not going to do anything.
it's not going to do anything. You got it. So just angle that up above and go all the way back. And then go over the top of them and then underneath.
Okay.
Same thing down here. You might even have to hold your lip back a little bit
Okay.
just to get those little circles down there. Perfect. These little Christmas tree things, you can keep one with you. And these are nice if you get food stuck up here. And especially for your expander, I'm going to give you a few of them. And if you want more, we got more here. But they can get up above that expander too.
Okay.
If you get food stuck up there. Okay. There's 2 ways to floss. One way is with these floss threaders. And these you can reuse until they break, and we give you a little packet of them in there.
Okay.
And then you take a piece of floss, whatever kind of floss you like to use, break it off. Oh, sorry. Break the floss off, and I would tie the floss onto here and just like a little knot.
Okay.
Just because every time you go through, the floss will end up falling off.
Okay.
And then you just got to thread it under the wire like that, and then just kind of go up on each side of that gum tissue. And it does take a little longer. I think it's good if you can give yourself like 10 to 15 minutes before you go to bed just for flossing, brushing, and then I'm going to give you a mouth rinse we want you to use too. But flossing regularly really helps to keep your gums from getting puffy.
Okay.
Because sometimes your gums with the braces will want to swell up if you're not flossing, and it can be really hard to get them to shrink back down. The other way to floss is with these little flossers. These are called platypus flossers. On them. So instead of having to thread it, you can just put it underneath there like that.
Okay.
And just go on each side of that gum. Sound good?
Yeah.
If you have something that's causing a sore on your mouth, you take a little piece of wax out of this. We give you this and just get a little dot of it off.
Okay.
And then let's say this brace right here is poking you, you just squish the wax in there.
Okay.
And that will keep it from
Yeah.
rubbing on your cheek. It does come off when you eat or brush, so just try to remember to take it off. If you forget, that's okay. Swallowing a tiny bit won't hurt anything.
Okay.
The other thing, I would not just automatically put wax on your braces every day because your lips will never get used to them.
Yeah.
But if you have a spot that's causing a sore or that expander is really bothering your tongue, to get it to heal better, I'd put wax on it.
Okay.